Alright guys, so we are out here in beautiful Central Oregon with the boys, enjoying the nice, peaceful quiet with birds and occasionally these things. So I'll upload a couple recordings. This is the brand new K5 LA that you guys saw. Really good sounding horn. This is the GE HL, I guess what I'm calling it. And then Cruise's K3LA and Ezra's 1L. Right, Ezra? So we're just out here having fun. That's what this is all about. This right here is what it's all about. It's family and fun and getting to enjoy everything. So get out there and enjoy life. Stop fighting. Alright, peace out.